In this video, I will share you another newly launched best trending meme coin here. Within just 24 hours of its launching, this meme coin make a massive hype in crypto market and already listed on more than 20 centralized exchanges including Kraken. Okay, already this meme coin is listed on Kraken exchange. So friends, it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on maybe Coinbase and Binance soon. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. And friends, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for further crypto updates. Just like I share you Pipey coin, after that just pump by almost 20%, and many other crypto updates that I'm not sharing on my YouTube channel. So you can get all the updates on Telegram channel. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. France Ghibli fiction is named Ghibli symbol $0.01 current price dropped by 63%. Right now, entire crypto market is jumping and all other recent launch meme coins are barely jumping here. That's why price is market cap, you can see is also jumping here. $11.6 million market cap right now, already listed on Kraken and more than 20 cent like exchanges. So its market cap is very low right now. So this can be the best buying opportunity for us also. Last 24-hour trading volume $77.5 million. This is amazing, friends. You can see $77 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is really amazing. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. After a long time, we see a Solana ecosystem meme coin. You can see, friends, this is Solana ecosystem meme coin. Okay, a Prodigy meme coin, we are 70% down than its all-time high. They were 1 day ago and only 12% up than its all-time low. They were just 4 hours ago. So recently, this meme coin hit its all-time low. The reason why I'm recording this video, the reason why I reviewed this meme coin is here. You can see, for instance, exchange listing, BitGet, MEXC, HTX, Albank, Get.io has already list, and friends, Coinex, Arbit, Bitmart, Phoenix has already listed this coin, Hybrid, and CoinWXT.com, BingX, Polynex, and the reason is here. Okay, reason is Kraken exchange. Okay, because Kraken has listed this coin, so it means that this coin is already entered in US market. So definitely it's possible that we can see its listing on many other tier 1 central exchanges also, because Kraken, Gate.io already listed on more than, you can see, friends, 48 central exchanges, sorry, all over 48 exchanges, but I think only 20 central exchanges has listed this coin, so this is good. 21,000 holders for Ghibli coin. You can see, friends, 21,000 holders. So number of holders, no doubt good, because only 1 day old meme coin. BitGet has highest supply, that 4.6%. MEXC Gate.io also holding 4 and 2.7% of supply. Okay, and Pump.fun and many other wallets. Okay, you can see, friends, Kraken exchange wallet. Okay, wallet number at is Kraken exchange wallet holding 1.4% supply. So top 10 wallets holding more than 1% of supply, but mostly are centralized exchanges wallet. These are the other 10 wallets. Okay, these holding less than 1% of supply. So friends, overall this is good. Okay, token is looking very good, and amazing thing about this meme coin is this exchange listing. Within just 24 hours of its launching, coin is already listed on many best central exchanges just like Get.io, MEXC, Kraken, many other major central exchanges. But friends, another good thing is this meme coin is also dumped barely here. You can see, friends, all-time high was $0.04. Right now we are 63% down. Okay, and overall we are 70% down than its all-time high. Current price $0.01. Market cap right now only $11 million. Already hit $45 billion market cap. Okay, 45 million, but right now only $11 million market cap. So this market cap, this price is can be the best buying opportunity for us. So friends, I think definitely when crypto market will again recover, so definitely we can see many other major central exchange listings also. And it's also possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for Binance Coinbase. We can see its market cap in $1 billion in this year's super cycle. Meme coins mega balloon. What's your price prediction? Do you think this meme coin has a strong future and can list it on all tier 1 central exchanges and can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.